What is up and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to upload resume on LinkedIn or how to add resume in LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a social network platform. Trust me, if you have your resume already with you, it becomes so much easy to go ahead and apply for jobs on LinkedIn. The reason I'm saying this is next time when you go ahead and start applying for jobs, all you need to do is check for this easy apply option over here and it's gonna do wonders for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload CV in LinkedIn in the simplest way you can actually go ahead and do that. This is one of the tips of LinkedIn profile for freshers, and I'm also going to tell you about benefits of uploading your CV or benefits of uploading your resume to LinkedIn. I hope you find this LinkedIn tutorial for beginners helpful. Let's get quickly started with the LinkedIn resume upload 2023. Alright, so in order to upload your resume on LinkedIn or upload CV in LinkedIn, all you need to do is click on your profile name, go to the more section and click on build a resume for LinkedIn. Now it will give you two options, create from profile or upload your resume. Upload resume is always better as it is much more easier. Just click on the upload resume file, select the file and it's gonna get uploaded. Just click on the next button. Right now I'm not looking for going ahead and applying for any jobs, so I'm gonna go ahead and skip it. Now the next thing that you're gonna land up on is this screen. Our resume is already uploaded. However, if you want to go ahead and get suggestions for your job profile, you can write over here the job title that you're looking out for. And how can you check out the resume that you have uploaded is basically just go on your profile here. Again, just click on more, click on the build resume. There it is. We have our resume which is uploaded on March 3rd, 2023. If you like this video guys, please hit the like button. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comment section just typing it was helpful. I'll see you the next time. Keep on watching the channel and might as well check out the playlist. It is super helpful. Thank you.